DS diving. We're here at Naughty Lobster, the Lighthouse Marina. Some damaged pilings there. I'm going to show a quick after video. Shaft zincs look good and rudder zincs look good, but the one on the port side was real loose, so I went ahead and tightened her up. I'm going to show, you got a line in the wheel on the starboard side. I wanted to show it, and then I'll clear it and I'll get another video if I can. It's pretty milky down there, but I'll do my best to show. Today is the 1st of September. Slip 15. This side, the starboard side's where the wheel, or where the lides of the wheel. The intake's great. The starboard side's bent in a little. It shouldn't really be a problem, but just wanted to note.